Hey gang. So, I have an appointment with a kid, I'm not certain his age, um, to do an interview for a school project. I've gotten a bunch of these requests recently, so I thought I'd maybe try to um, answer his questions and and perhaps many others at the same time by posting this on the interwebs. So um, let me see if I can get him on the line. I'll give it one more try. No, we don't want that. I can't say that I know how Skype works. Like you'd think that call would do it. Okay, that is it. All right. See if we can get him on the line. If not, I'll just put this stream on pause for a little bit so that Israel has a chance to get himself together. Okay, well, I'll be back in a jiffy if we can get Israel on the line. If not, then I apologize. I'll probably uh, I'll probably just stream some dev after this if we can't get Israel. Till later. Okay, well, Israel's a no-show. So I'm just gonna keep on doing what I was doing, which is adding this vine cage. Basically, the idea is when the satyr enemy blows its little horn, if there's an entity within its attack range, then it gets encased in this vine cage, and then it just like idles for a little while. Excuse me. So the range is just 1 right now, but I think I'm gonna bump that up later. But first I want to make sure that the vine cage works at all, so okay. This is tricky because I don't know if we're in the middle of deploying. Well, I'll only solve that problem if I actually encounter it. So weird. I think that this might be expensive, the reverse frames function, but I don't even know if I need this stop part. Probably don't. But anyway. So cleanup is event listener event dot first new event, just so that it wakes that up. Event dot complete cleanup. Okay, so if after I collapse, I want to clean that up. Putting a thing on a tile is kind of an involved process. Like the proper way is in the entity class as it like builds things. So I'm gonna have to check that out later. But I think what I can do is just tile dot remove. Hold on a second. Yeah, let's see. It's in. This is where we add things. Okay, portal. Deco. Okay. Tile, add matter. That's really all that's needed, I guess. If we don't have an offset, which we don't. Yeah. Okay. Wait a second. But matter knows about its tiles, right? Matter. That's the superclass of the vine cage that I'm making right now. Let's see. Tile, yeah. And we have tile 2 open somewhere. Remove entity, add matter, remove matter, public function. Yeah, weird. Okay. I don't know why the autocomplete is just not getting it, but tile dot remove matter. And what's the API exactly? Just the thing. Okay, this. Cool. I don't know if I need this because I'm doing it lower. Okay. Let's see there. Beats you want equals 3, I think. Oh. Looks like we might be getting a call here. Just a second while I do some whatever. You get it. Okay. So, beats. That's like how long we want this to last, basically. So, yeah. We should probably just put it globally. Somewhere here, like. I'll put a comment because that's a weird name for a thing. Okay. I guess we don't need it here because we're having a global thing. Okay. And then it should be for yeah. So no matter what the range is that I end up with, I'm going to probably try and just have one entity be affected by it, so it doesn't like go through entities, unlike the powers of stuff. Okay. The powers of the familiars. Maybe 6 ors. I don't know. I don't know. Flaky. You're on the internet, kid. Now everyone knows how flaky you are. So sad to start at such a young age. I'm just kidding. It's who knows what the circumstances are. I gotta be compassionate. We all have to postpone things sometimes. I totally spaced on an appointment just last week, so I have nobody to talk about this. So, all right, start vine cage. Okay, we're gonna need to make a vine cage. So like. So first, I feel like this is a decent opportunity to do, you know what, I'm just going to do one. Well, the most you can have is 3, right? Yeah. Well, the most you can have is the number of beats, because it's like 1, 2, 3. No, 1 more than the number of beats, right? Because if I cast 1, now there's a cage here, cage here, cage here. So only 2 beats have gone by for this cage here. This one goes away. So 4, okay. So I could just make them up front. I could just make 4 vine cages and then like cycle through them. let's see. Okay, alright. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make 4 vine cages and just cycle through them. This is a little boilerplate, but I less than or equal to vine beats I plus plus. Okay, now we're going to do vines, well, yeah. Type program, okay. Oh, I'm just going to do null on that. Just leave that empty, okay. I don't know if I need this. I'll just get rid of it. Vines I think that'll work. Okay, vines I. Start vine cage. Okay, so we're gonna go tile dot let's go with target tile here, just so that we don't get confused with the global tile that all entities and matter have. So target tile dot add matter vines next vine okay, next vine. Alright. Vines next vine dot deploy. Next vine plus. Alright, and then we need to add juggler dot delay call entity manager dot beat times vine beats, and that's the time, but we also need to give it and divine cage. Okay. Right, delay call, and then okay, and divine cage. Whoops. X. Sometimes it's difficult to transition between Mac and Windows for me, just because Command and Control are so common in my typing repertoire. Okay. Do we need the... No, we need the vine, right? Okay, and then we end vine cage, and we pass in the vine. Okay, vine dot tile. Oh, that's already done for us. Vine dot collapse. Okay. I forgot we have to loop around. So next vine equals next vine plus 1 mod vine is dot length. Okay, right? So if I have 4, I'm at number 3, which is the last one, plus 1 is 4, mod 4 is 0. Yes, okay. Good to go, 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 good to go. Alright. You know, I don't really need this. I can just vines dot collapse. We won't use the call. Okay, great. Okay. Oh. Range equals, well, let's just test it with range 1 right now, and then we'll do this retrofitting later. Okay. I really want to watch that later. Yeah. So facing tile. Okay, yeah, start vine cage. Facing tile. All right, let's see if that works. What's wrong here? This. return value. Oh, this is not a colon, it's a semicolon. That's the kind of stuff that gets you. Alright, now I have the sequence set to test, so we should be able to just sit back and watch when this happens. What'd I do? Cannot access null object reference, vine cage 21. What did I do? Vine cage 21. Add child movie. What? Okay. Seder 24. That seems like the right place. That's where we're making all of them. Yeah. We're making all the vine cages. New vine cage. Okay. There's a movie. New movie clip. Atlas. So Atlas. Let's test that these things exist. Okay, let's try again. Oh, waiting to connect to the running application. Should have quit it entirely. Okay, let's see, what did it print out first? Atlas, texture Atlas, movie clip. Okay, what about length? Oh. Movie dot frames? Num frames, something like that. Yeah, num frames. Okay. How many frames do we get? Six. Okay, that's the right number. So, what? On cage 23. Add child movie. Maybe this needs to be after the super call, because that has like the thing that we're... Well, let's just put it all after the super call, just in case. There we go. Might be that there's nothing to tie it to. It's not, because it's not a thing yet before the super. What is going on? Okay, that's different. Seder 24. Okay, Seder 24. Vines I equals new. Oh, that's because I didn't make vines a new thingy. Okay, vines equals new. Vector delay, yeah. Then we can give it the size actually. Vine it's plus 1. Okay, that's an easy fix. I always forget to do that. Instantiating containers. It'll drive you crazy. Okay, let's see. So this guy should put this guy in a vine cage here. Can that... Oh, kind of did, but it was just under here for some reason. So we gotta set the pivot to the bottom. Yeah, that'll do it. Yes, this is gonna be easy. Man, things are never this easy. It's very suspicious. Okay, movie. Movie dot height equals negative movie dot height. Alright. We saw the potential. I know you had to have an eagle eye to kind of see that, but I knew what I was looking for, and we should be good to go. Let's see. This guy's just spinning around. This guy's going to put him in a vine cage. Nice. The order is wrong. Let's see. How can I get the order right? Negative movie height. Let's see. Offset equals new point. X is 0 and Y is 25, something like that. Maybe that height. Minus offset dot y. Okay, and then when we add it, we gotta take into account the offset. Material offset is object offset. Add matter, and then matter object offset. Or just map offset. Okay. So, all right. In the Seder, no. In the vine cage, no. In the Seder, I was right. Okay. I'm gonna tile. It's in here. Tile, add matter. Dot offset. Alright. Let's try that out. So I've just added an offset to make it technically lower than it really is, and then like in the actual asset made it higher than it actually is, so that it'll balance out, but it'll be sorted frontward in the tile order. I'm not sure if 25 is going to do it. We might have to try other numbers. We'll try some ridiculous number, see if that works. I do like having the other entities like just doing the spell that includes this thing, so that I don't have to worry about it. Huh. I'm guessing that was maybe the wrong direction for the offset. Let's look at the tile thing. Add matter, add matter, add matter, add matter. Offset, oh that's right, it's in tile space. So it has to be a fraction of tile height. So that's going to be an interesting calculation. Okay, I don't know how high the tiles are. Let's take a look. Dropbox. Whoa. My computer's freaking out a little. I'm gonna have to turn some stuff off. Yeah, if it crashes, just I apologize. I should probably look to see if anybody's watching right now. Twitch. Oh, games dashboard, great. I don't usually get many viewers, so I'm not like super engaged in the chat, though I should be. Super engaged. Oh, okay. Let me pop it out. How do I pop it out? Pop out. There it is. Hello. Wish I could see the history. I apologize if you've been chatting to me for a while. What? What? Why are you in the chat? Aren't you streaming right now? Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. I did not intend to go away just to stream. So I was watching William's stream just a moment ago. But this kid, the kid who was supposed to interview me, is no-show. So I decided to just roll with it because I had already fired up the stuff. Oh, that's too kind. Thank you so much, William. It's yeah, that's lovely of you. And I will. Oh, lovely. You're outside for a walk and yet on Twitch chat. That's the world we live in, folks. So strange. Okay. So I need to put in a number that makes sense. This would be like 0.5. Yep. Just a pawn in this game. No, I for one welcome our new robot overlords. I don't know about all these haters, but when they come, I'll be there, just with a cool glass of motor oil or whatever it is. I don't know. Let's see. So this does go in the correct direction. It's not like reversed or something weird. Okay. And then again, like I'm gonna have to look up what the tile height is. Miles. Any tile will do. $223. So divided by 4. Math. 223 divided by 4. 55 pixels. 56. Okay. Okay. Line cage. So 0.5 is 56 pixels, or actually, all I have to do is minus offset dot y times, what is it? Height times tile 2 dot height times 0.5. Great. so it doesn't even really matter what number I put in there. Yeah, it's, oh, why, what doesn't work? This will be interesting. Oh, this is something you want me to debug of yours. List int. I have no idea. Alright, this is in C? What is this? C# or something? Hill viral. I'm sorry. I'm like a fake programmer. Yeah. I never got my degree in programming. I got a degree in film and TV production. And now I mostly design games, but I am forced by circumstances to program also. Thanks. Thanks for understanding. Yeah. I mean, aren't we all, like, nobody would like to program. Ideally, we'd all just talk to the computer like in Star Trek and just be like, hey, computer, make me a game where you learn to code and you play as a little girl and, yeah, make sure it's fun. Yay! The Vine cage is working. Sweet. That's a little slice of success. Yeah. Cool. Alright, let me commit. That much I know is good programming practice. We have something that works. Commit it. That's why I'm married. When I have something that works. I don't know. William, tell me when you're streaming again, because I will. I'll probably want to go back to watching you. You're way more professional at this. I just ramble and my sentences just peter off. And I know it takes practice to get good at it, but it's not practice that I'm willing to put in at the moment. So, yes, I bow to your superior skill. Okay. Alright, that's important. This is important. Yeah, whatever. Git hiccup. It happens. This is something else. Hero. Not important. Satyr. Very important. Cage class. Environment 2. Okay, no. I don't want to do that yet. Okay. Everything up here is important for the vine cage. Vine cage. Now, because because this modern world of ours works the way that it does, I'm going to go ahead and try and screenshot this and put it on the interwebs for Screenshot Saturday. Every time I miss a Screenshot Saturday, I feel very guilty. Lime, what the hell is the thing called? Lice Cap, that's what it's called. Lice Cap, thank you, Spotlight. It is Screenshot Saturday. I swear, the mental anguish of missing a Screenshot Saturday. Yeah, it hurts me more than the lack of visibility that missing a Screenshot Saturday does. Get to hear this awesome music by David Novak. Okay. Oh, it didn't even start recording time. Gosh darn it. Terrible. I want to catch this. So I gotta relaunch it. I wish I could interact through this. I have another like GIF capture thing, but it doesn't record in full frame rate. Cool. That was something. In this process. Yeah, so LiceCap is just the simplest free GIF capturing software that I could find that I could actually control the frame rate for. There's a bunch out there and they're really simple, but that simplicity has a price, which is it just picks a frame rate. It's usually like 4 frames a second. Damn Scout. Is that some sort of wonky... Oh, that's your name. Sorry. Hey, Damn Scout. What's going on? I thought it was some sort of cursed Boy Scout thing where like, oh, if you don't make it to Eagle Scout and you turn to evil, you become like an evil scout instead of an Eagle Scout or a Damn Scout. Okay, I've totally forgotten what I was doing. Yeah, I'm gonna put that on Imgur. That's the other nice, I don't know, other other GIF capturing things like have their own servers. So they'll just like put up the GIF for you, which is really nice. So maybe I'll go back to that, but for now. Let's see. Where does it put things? In movies, okay. Yeah, I should have known. Oh, it didn't even capture the first part of that. Gosh. Well, it's good enough. Good enough for jazz, which is the kind of game dev I do. Jazz dev. So many effing hashtags. Screenshot Saturday. Game dev. Indie dev. When will it end? Alright. Finally back to game development. That is a great story. My gosh, that will live in infamy forever. Awesome. Let me see if I can give Get that damn scout. Let me give him some more range. Range. I'm going to give him maximum range because he's just trying to pester you. So it doesn't do any damage getting trapped in one of these vine cages. It just prevents you from moving for 3 turns, which can be bad. So, facing tile. Okay, we need to do this recursively to get the facing tile. I guess we could do it iteratively. Yeah, okay. If facing tile, if facing ent. Okay, else. Okay, if facing ent, break. Okay. So we're going to make this into a loop. Facing tile. Our previous tile, which is a tile, believe it or not, and it's going to be this tile that I'm standing on to start. And then, while no, I'm not going to count down. I'm going to count up because that confuses people less. While iter less than range And then we're going to add one here, plus, beauty, and the beast. Okay, let's see if I can set this up in the sequence to look right. Actually, it's in the test level. Okay, attack friend, that's their thing, and their coordinate is -2, -1. But they go up to -1, -1, I think. Yeah. Let me just simplify attack friend here. To just be an attack, and it'll be in the face different direction. Face 1. And let's see. Let's see, is -3, 0 occupied? I don't think it is. -3, 0. Okay. And we'll see if this range works. It's really catchy. The music from Codemancer gets me. I'm gonna have to edit the heck out of this video before I put it on YouTube. So much silence, emptiness, and so much nonsense with the posting on the internet. I don't know why. Why do you want to watch me post on the internet? On the internet. On the internet. On the internet. Okay, let's see. Oh, I forgot that I was standing there. Okay, we're gonna move the hero up and over. So the way the coordinate system works in Codemancer is this is the positive x direction, so going up and to the right, and this is the positive y direction going straight down. So it's like a very skewed, like parallelogram kind of thing. And there's all kinds of possible coordinate systems for hexes, but that's the one that seemed closest to regular screen space. So that's what I went with. Okay. Let's make the hero at -1, 1. And now let's see. Yeah. My Mac will sleep soon unless plugged into a power outlet. Okay, this is going to be the last part before I carve out this little meeting space because oh, it did not work. Huh. Huh. That did not work. I wonder why. So I carve out this little meeting space in the co-working space that I work with. But I'm really monopolizing it, sort of. illicitly. Well, nobody's using it right now, but I didn't reserve it. And so I didn't bring my power supply in with me because I didn't think I'd be here very long. I thought I'd be talking to this kid for a little bit and then, yeah, peacing. Okay. Feeder. Oh, that's right. I did not. Okay, that was stupid. Facing tile equals prev tile neighbors jump facing if facing tile I'm going to put an else because it won't confuse me as much, even though I don't need it because there's a break at the end of that if statement. But if there's an entity else prev tile equals facing tile, okay. Facing int equals facing tile equals tile neighbors jump facing. Cool. Okay, I think that's that. Now, alright. Hopefully this is the last time because I got 8% battery life. It's down to the wire. Wish me luck. Has he done it? Or has he flubbed it? The thrill of victory? Yes. Rather than the agony of defeat. Sweet. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. This is where I'm going to call it for my stream. Go back and watch William. And I'll see you there. Till later. Farewell.